morning. I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creator. Now's content for BSc Zoology Honors, MSc Zoology, CUET PG and CSNET Life Sciences students. Paper non-coordinates, Unit Echinodermata, and topic is class Holothuroidea. Class Holothuroidea in a phylum characterized by odd animals. Class Holothuroidea, which is known as sea cucumbers, contains members that both structurally and physiologically are among the strangest. These animals bear a remarkable resemblance to the vegetable after which they are named. Next, I will discuss about their form and function. First, body wall. Their body wall is usually leathery with tiny ossicles embedded in it, although a few species have large ossicles forming a dermal armor. Next, tube feet. Locomotor tube feet are equally distributed to the 5 ambulacral areas or all over the body, but most have well-developed tube feet only in the ambulacra normal applied to the substratum. Next, sole. The side applied to the substratum has 3 ambulacra and is called a sole. Coelomic cavity. A sea cucumber's coelomic cavity is spacious and fluid-filled and has many coelomocytes. The fluid-filled coeloms now serves as hydrostatic skeleton. Dermal ossicles are small and not connected to each other, so they no longer form an endoskeleton. Next, respiration and excretion of class Holothuroidea. The digestive system empties posteriorly into a muscular cloaca, a respiratory tree composed of 2 long, many branched tubules also empties into the cloaca, which pumps with seawater into it. The respiratory tree serves for both respiration and excretion and is not present in any other group of living echinoderms. Next, fertilization of the class Holothuroidea. Their sexes are usually separate, but some holothurians are hermaphroditic. Among echinoderms, only sea cucumbers have a single gonad. The gonad is usually in the form of 1 or 2 clusters of tubules that join at the gonoduct. Fertilization is external and the free-swimming larva is called an auricularia. Next, class Crinodea. Introduction. Crinoids usually about 625 species of sea lilies and feather stars. As fossils records reveal, crinoids were once far more numerous than they are now. They differ from other echinoderms but being attached during a substantial part of their sea leaves. Sea lilies have a flower-shaped body at the tip of the attached stalk. Next, form and function of the class Crinodea. Their body shape. Their body disc or calyx is covered with a leathery skin that is called tegmen containing calcareous plates. Epidermis is poorly developed. 5 flexible arms branch to form many more arms, each with many lateral pinnules arranged like barbs on a feather. Next, calyx and arms together are called the crown. Sessile forms have a long joint stalk attached to the apical side of the body. This stalk is composed of plates, appears jointed and may be ciliate. Their oral surface. Their upper oral surface bears a mouth which opens into a short esophagus from which the long intestine with diverticula proceeds aborally for a distance and then makes a complete turn to anus, which may be on a raised cone. Ambulacral grooves are open and ciliated and serve to carry food to their mouth. Next point, tube feet. Simple tube feet without suckers lines the ambulacral grooves which extended into the pinnules. With the aid of tube feet and mucous strand, crinoids collect some organism from the surrounding waters. Next point, water vascular system of Holothuroidea, Crinodea. Their water vascular systems follow the basic echinoderm plan. However, the system function entirely on existing coelomic fluid. There is no madreporoid to allow exchange of fluid with the surrounding of environment. Next, nervous system of Crinodea. The nervous system has an oral ring and radial nerve that runs to each arm. The aboral or entoneural system is most highly developed in crinoids than in most other echinoderms. Additional sensory organs are scanty and simple. Next, the reproduction of Crinodea. Their sexes are separate. Gonads are simply masses of cells in the genital cavity of arms and pinnules. Gametes escape without ducts through a rupture in pinnule walls. Brooding occurs in some forms. Doliolaria larvae are free swimming or a time before they become attached and metamorphose. Now the topic has ended. For all video of the zoology honors of BSc and MSc. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima and follow my Facebook channel Madhurima.